video is going to be a brand new hygiene routine video. My hygiene routines are super duper popular, so I'm going to share with you guys exactly how to stay super duper fresh. You will smell super duper good everywhere, all day, forever, ever. Oh, and I do need to grab one more product, so I will be right back and then we are going to start. So I will also list down below all of the products I mentioned in the description box for you guys to get yourself, and we can be doing the same hygiene routine, smelling super duper fresh. But I'm going to start off when I first get in the shower. So I like to shave first. Okay, I had to make it clear. First, so for shaving, I use the Tree Hut Bare Moisturizing Shave Oil. This soothes skin and helps protect against cuts. This stuff is amazing, and as you guys can tell, I have none left. I just brought a new one. It's in the bag. I always re-up on this. Like literally, I've got this at least 5 times. It lasts a very long time, and you can use this everywhere to shave off. So this stuff is spectacular. That is what I use for shaving. Post shave, so if you don't want to have any burns on like your bikini area, underarms, things like that, even your knees possibly, I don't know. I don't know what you need, girl. But this is the Tree Hut Bare Post Shave Soothing Mist. So this helps to relieve itchy skin and it prevents ingrown hairs. This is by the same brand, and it has the spray. The spray lasts like forever. As you guys can tell, I use about this much of it, but this stuff lasts so long because you don't actually need to spray it everywhere all the time every day. So after that, I would always go in and exfoliate sometimes. So exfoliating is like a once a week thing, once every 2 weeks, whenever you want. You know, you feel like your skin needs to be softer or exfoliated. I exfoliated because I got like a little bit like of sunburnt, I guess. I don't know, you guys see this tan line? It is still there. But this is the Shea Moisture Extra Virgin Olive Oil Ground Coffee Scrub, and it's also extra moisturizing. I wanted something that would be really moisturizing. It is literally ground coffee, you guys. It smells like coffee. It's great. It's a really cool moisturizer. So if you have more sensitive skin, I wouldn't suggest this one. I would suggest a more liquefied one, because as you guys can tell, it sounds like sand. It's tough on the skin, but believe me, it is soft after you use it. And exfoliating just helps to make your skin softer, helps to add moisture, retain moisture, and things like that. So after that, I would go in with something that is more soothing on my skin. This is the African Black Soap Soothing Body Wash with oats, Olay, and vitamin E. This is Calm and Clear by Shea Moisture. I've used up all of this. Oh, I need a new one. Shea Moisture, I need a new one. But yes, this stuff is spectacular. I would go in and use this after using a more rough exfoliant on my skin. And African Black Mass Soap helps with a lot of things. It helps with breakouts, things like that. It will keep your skin really, really nice. But on the other end of things, to wash up everywhere as well, I will use this all the time. I run through these so fast. This is the Neutrogena Rain Bath Restoring Shower and Bath Gel. This is in Fresh Plum. As you guys can tell, I've used a lot of this. This is my go-to, the Neutrogena Rain Bath. I'm absolutely in love with it. So then after I get out of the shower, I go into the next step of, you know, the hygiene routine. So I always have to go in with lots of moisture. My skin like absorbs moisture so easily. I'm just like, I need some. So what I've been using recently is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E. This is Skin Therapy Oil. So this helps with scars. It helps with stretch marks. It helps with uneven skin tone as well as aging skin. It has pure argan oil in it. This stuff is spectacular. It's just like straight up oil. It works so amazingly. I'll mix this up into my lotion, and I will also put this on bare. So if I want a little shine, I'll put this on bare, but really I'll mix this up with my lotion fresh out of the shower is the main purpose of this use. Like I did that today, and as you guys can tell, I'm not like super shiny, but I'm definitely super moisturized, and my skin isn't going to be dry or ashy or anything like that. So I'll mix this with the Jergens. So I'll do like a pump of the oil, and I'll put a pump, like some pumps of my lotion. I'll mix it all together, and then I'll put it on my skin for extra moisture. But this is the Jergens Refreshing Honey. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is like their new one. It's Nourishing Honey. It softens for beautifully smooth skin with honey and orange blossom. Yes, and this is a dry skin moisturizer. Jergens is like my favorite lotion, you guys. It says Jergens Nourishing Honey Moisturizer helps to reveal deeply nourished, visibly softer skin. And then also another great Jergens lotion is the Hydrating Coconut. If you guys want like a different smell, this one is great too, but I've like used up all of this. But there's some left, but you guys know like there's probably like this much left. They like to be stingy with the length of the pump. So like you have all this lotion left, but they're like, nope, now you gotta buy a new one. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on now, can y'all make the pump so I could actually reach the rest of the lotion in the container? Like, who can relate? That is crazy. But then if I want actually like a sheen on my body, I will go on with this. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant with Pure Cocoa Butter. This is Vitalizing Body Gel Oil. So it's a gel oil. It is intense, you guys, for healthy glowing skin, and it restores moisture. I've had this since January, and you guys, like, oh my, it is disgusting if you use too much, but it is great for moisture. Do you just see, like, can't you just tell this is going to moisturize it? Okay, believe that. It is like you just need a droplet, a dime size amount, because this literally, it is powerful. You will shine. But this is great for like if you're going to the beach and you want like a nice, you know, glow on your skin. And y'all see my muscles? I'm just kidding, but like I'm telling y'all, I be at the gym. You guys probably want a fitness routine. I could probably plug you guys in with like an at-home workout routine, like for sure. So let me know if you guys would be interested in something like that. After I put on all my lotion and I moisturize, I like to go in with some sprays. I'm going to spray it today. They smell so good. So I put 2 in this video so you guys can have 2 different ideas of some great flavors. This is a Jessica Simpson Fancy Body Mist. It smells so good. I wanted to rebuy this one, but I could not find it because I got this like a year ago, but there's still like quite a bit left. So it's like a warm vanilla sweet smell. Love it. You can just purchase it straight up online, you guys. Trust me. When I say my smells, I know my smells. Trust me. I will have that linked below. Everything's linked down below, so it won't be hard for you guys to find it. And then this is the Fiori. Do not get me for not being able to pronounce this, but I think it means flower, so I'm just gonna call it flower. This is the Flower by Vince fragrance mist. So this one is another fabulous smell. This is the one I decided to buy because I couldn't find the fancy, and it's just so sweet. Oh my, you guys. It smells like pure candy, like sweet and like sour candy. Like, yes, that's literally what this smells like. Like, guys, it's a different smell than the Fancy by Jessica Simpson, but it's both my flavors and it works so incredible with my favorite smell ever. This is my scent for life, okay? For now, at least, for like some years. This is the Versace Bright Crystal, you guys. This don't play, and you guys can tell it smells good by the packaging. And it's pink, and it mixes so well with those smells. And it's like the pink, something about the pink packaging, they all just like match. Because I go in with a body mist, and with the body mist, I spray it all over after I'm done putting on my lotion. Like before, like I will spray it all over. So I really smell good. And you guys know that body mist, the smell really doesn't fade. I mean, no, body mist smell does fade. So you like spray it all over, you'll be Gucci. This one doesn't really fade. This is the Versace Bright Crystal. Ooh, I'm gonna just put one spray, y'all. Ooh, and when I do it, I just spray my neck, put it on here, put it on my wrist, and then put it right behind my ears. And you guys, you're set. And it just, the smells mix so well together. You normally can't just like spray that and then spray this. It's like the smells were made for each other. You guys, I know what I'm talking about, literally. Now that is how you gonna smell good, and people will smell it and they gonna be like, girl, what is that? So what is that? Can I get me some of that? Like, seriously. And then also a great trick is hair. I normally don't put this in my hygiene routine videos, but I should, because hair hygiene works with regular hygiene. This mixes well too. All my scents mix, you guys. So this is hair perfume. Yes, I seem crazy, but it mixed with my body smell with the Versace, and it will make you smell like a pure, just like flower, just like, yes, like you walk in the spot, you don't stink. You walk in the spot, you smell like awesomeness. Like, can you please share? Like now I just smell like awesomeness because I just retouched up on everything. And y'all, seriously, listen to me. This is the Toka. You guys see I've used like half of this because this is like that special occasion stuff. This is hair fragrance. So when you're going out and you're like, huh, your hair is sitting there smelling good. Like, do not play me. This is the Toka hair fragrance. And I will try to link this down below. This just looked like Cinderella. Guys, don't play me with that hair perfume. It is literally hair fragrance. Yes, just spray it in there. Yes. It smells so good. Okay, y'all. I'm like obsessed with that. Anyways, and then the last like most important thing about hygiene is your deodorant, because your armpits can ruin the whole thing. You could have just sprayed on your body mist, your hair fragrance, your perfume, and still be smelling okay, because your armpits, you have to take care of them. Okay, this is the Secret Clinical Strength Clear Gel Stress Response. The key about the stress response is it reacts when you sweat, because you're stressed, you're sweating. It starts to sweat and it smells even better. And it's clear. This is a clear deodorant, okay? Clear. It is actually clear. I've had so many deodorants where they'll say it's clear, but it's not even really clear, and it just makes me so upset. So yeah, you guys, that is my hygiene routine. I really hope that this helps you guys out there with your personal hygiene. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updated hygiene routines all the time. I'll keep you guys smelling good on the regular. Thumbs up for hygiene, good hygiene. It is so important. If you have good hygiene, you better thumbs up. Okay, so if there's dislikes on this video, then yikes, like I feel bad for you. But if you have good hygiene, thumbs up, okay? Also, leave a comment down below some other things that you guys like to use in your hygiene routine, and I'll test them out and you guys might see it in my next hygiene routine. Again, like I said, subscribe for that hygiene, for those try on hauls, advice videos. I even hook y'all with Instagram captions, so just check out my channel. There's so many fun things that you guys can most likely relate to on there. And follow me on my social media, my Instagram, Snapchat, so you guys can be more connected with me. You can see all of my looks on Instagram. You guys could get inspired by that and even know when I post a new video. So you can even turn on my notification bell, but that helps, okay? You'll get like the first like notification, like yes, like Carla just posted a new video, check it out, okay? But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye, you guys. Mwah.